Happy Saturday, everybody. So this is what we are going to be having for today and for tomorrow. It's just easier for me to do. These roasts were on sale at my Kroger, so I got one and I was like, you know what? Haven't done one in a little while, so this is what we're gonna have. And it's just basically like a garlic roast with some seasonings, and I do add some diced up onions in here. Just let it sit. And it should be ready, because it's noon right now, so it should be ready 5 o'clock for dinner. Oh, I have been cooking and doing laundry all day, and Ricky has been going behind me, kind of going a little crazy. So I came in here to put his sheets on his bed, and he's been chewing on things. Let's see, what is the latest casualty? Well, focus. It's this. Watch, check this out. Yeah. I mean, luckily it's an old toy that hasn't been really working well, and we need to get him a new one. It's like an interactive little kid's laptop toy. But, I mean, come on, man. And now look at what he's doing. So, this is that oral stimulation that I was telling you guys about, and I can't find his chewy. Ricky, where's your chewy? Where's your chewy? This is why we need to get, we have ordered some new chewies. One is going to go around his neck and be used during school, because he does have that oral fixation while he is at school. Ricky, you are wet. Goodness, this job. I've been like trying to drill through and do laundry and get everything clean around here, and he is just a big old mess. Just a big old mess. Ricky, where's your chewy? So, help me find his chewy, guys, so that he will stop chewing on stuff. Oh my goodness. Because before I know it, I'm going to look around and there's going to be bite marks everywhere. So I need to find this thing. Okay, so you guys help me find it. Let me know if you see it. It's orange and it looks like a tea. Where is it? I see you brought your water bottle in here, and it's probably biting on this too. I'm surprised he didn't take the label off. He normally takes the label off. Okay, Ricky, let's find your chewy. There's clothes that need to go. Pajamas, sir. Michael's pajamas. They need to go in the wash. Okay, Ricky, get up. Let's find your chewy, baby. Where is it? Where is it? I'm kind of like gliding the camera over, like you are gonna tell me, like you are gonna scream through the screen. Ooh, Lord. Oh, hey, Mindy, it's over there. We saw it. We saw it over there. Is it over here anywhere? No, just a bunch of cars and more pajamas that need to go in the wash. Oh, and a bowl. That bowl shouldn't be in here. I don't really let them eat. Oh, there it is. Off in the corner. Ta-da! Jude, hey, hey. Chewy, there you go. I'll take that so no plastic gets tore up. Yeah, no plastic. Chewy. Good job, guys. Good job. I don't want to open it, but I did cut it up and then I shred it. I don't want to open it because I want it to keep cooking. But we got like hour and 17. So I did 5 hours on high. It's almost 4, so it'll be ready by the time that we're ready to eat. I have been cleaning all day. All day. Taking little breaks to eat and whatever, but cleaning all day. Anybody else can relate? Give me a thumbs up if you can. Dinner. That's about it. That's about it for today. Ew, Michael. This has been our Saturday. Be nice. Thank you. I always wanted a Superman toy in my eye.
Oh God.
So we have just been cleaning. I've been cooking, cleaning. We do need to clean this room. I need to get Ricky's bedspread dry. What do you have in your mouth?
Oh man.
Ricky? I don't know what it is.
What's the biscuit thing? What's the biscuit?
Where's your chewy? Where's your chewy? Get it, please. Stop chewing on stuff. You can chew on that. That's what it's there for.
Oh, my carpet.
He can play with it.
I got carpet back.
So, I hope you guys have enjoyed. Oh, I look so tired. Oh, man. I hope you guys have enjoyed this cleaning, cooking. Yeah. It's just so rainy and so nasty out. I mean, I feel like I've been complaining about the weather since we started vlogging. And really, the entire month of September has been rain. Like, pretty much every single day. There might have been 2 or 3 days out of this entire month. I think tomorrow's the last day of this month. And 2 or 3 days out of the entire month has been, like, minimal rain. The rest has been, like, pouring sideways rain, like, just nasty. And I'm hoping, actually, I'm going to speak it into existence. October is not going to be rainy like that. We might have 1 or 2 days that are rainy, but October is going to be beautiful. There, I said it. I said it, and I'm right, and that's what's going to happen. So, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you would like to see more of us. Hit the bell button. Not the bell butt, the bell button. So that you will get notified when we upload for the day. And I guess we will see y'all tomorrow. I'm hoping for no rain. As soon as we woke up, we heard the downpour, and I was like, every day, almost every day, we haven't been able to go to the We haven't been able to swim. We haven't been able to do nothing. So, hopefully starting tomorrow and thereafter, our weather gets a lot better. Say see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Oh, see you tomorrow.
My nose.
Oh, your nose.
Here's the logo.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, guys.